In this video, we'll be doing a tire change on a Chevrolet Silverado.
So there's the parking brake. We're able to push that down, make sure that's set.
The tools that you'll need are a jack as well as an impact wrench. If you don't have an impact wrench, feel free to use the crowbar. It may come with the car, as well as the tools that are found behind the seat to lower the tire underneath the car. The tools for the vehicle will be located behind the seat. You will lower the tire from this point. If there's any issue like with this car with rust, you may have some problems with getting the tire off. Now, this was able to be lowered, but as we notice, it was rusted to the core.
Connector through. See how it's all rusted out? Just going to pull out the tire.
Since we have the tire off in the back, we're going to start jacking up in the front where we have to change the tire.
And now we're going to put on the spare. We're going to be using a 22 millimeter on this car.
If the lug nuts are on too tight, you may not even be able to take off the tire with the impact wrench. If that is the case, this is the solution.
We're going to use this here, this socket, and use your pole to your jack for some leverage. And then from there, break it. Break it off. So that's one.
If your tire gets stuck, make sure you use a rubber mallet. You can make contact with the tire in the inner portion of the rim, but make sure you hit the rim, not the tire. With the spare, make sure you put it back on the vehicle and put on your lug nuts.
So these are the stems and they can break off, so try to take care of them. They can be replaced too. So this one may need to be updated. This one right here, you can buy them, I believe, one by one at any auto parts store.
We're going to spray this down with some WD-40 because the stems are a little bit rusted and they may need to be replaced. And then we're going to put on the lug nuts. Put your lug nuts on in a star-like pattern. And as we notice on this vehicle, one of the lug nuts need to be replaced. Those can be picked up from your local auto parts store as well. If you have an air pump, you can fill up your tire with air if needed, or drive it to your local gas station to do so. So now you're back on the road. Let's go.